Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel, Jory Creates. I hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I will be giving you guys an inventory haul on the stuff that I'm doing for my business coming up. And I'll also be giving you guys a few tips on starting a business. Doesn't necessarily have to be the business I started, but it can be any business, period. But before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos, give this video a fat thumbs up, and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so first things first, before I get into the items I have, I'm just going to give you guys probably like maybe 4 or 5 tips on starting a business. So first and foremost, the first tip, you want to make sure that you know what type of business you're going to have. So you can't just say, oh, I'm going to have a business, and you don't even know what you're going to sell, what you're basically going to be providing to the world. So yeah, you want to make sure it doesn't have to be anything specific or what most people are doing. Like whatever you want to do, that's what you can start up and get it together. Second tip, you want to make sure that you have like a name for your business. So for example, you can call it, if you are selling eyelashes, you can call it Minx by Brianna or something like that. Third tip, you want to make sure you know where exactly you're going to get your products from. Now, a lot of the good stuff that people buy for a business is usually shipped internationally because it's shipped from China or somewhere like in the foreign parts of the world. So a lot of that stuff you might have to, it might be cheaper, but it just takes a while to get it. But I feel like if you're starting a business, you should go as cheap as possible. Don't spend hundreds of dollars on products that you don't know for sure that's going to sell. So just to be sure, you want to have a low stock, and you also want to have cheap items, so that way you won't waste a lot of money. But you can probably come up with a different way to sell your products and not lose faith in your business. Fourth tip, you want to make sure you have money. So I mean, there are some businesses out there that you can start for free, but it all just depends. I'm not going to get into that, but I'm pretty sure you can do your own research and find some, or you can ask around and see, who knows. But yeah, there's businesses out there that you don't necessarily need money to start, but sometimes those businesses are harder to make money. It's just not 100% guaranteed. I mean, really no business is, but a lot of times making money free is a little bit harder than spending money to make money. So yeah, it doesn't have to really be a lot of money. As long as you know what type of products you're gonna buy or how much your products cost, then that's all you need. Fifth tip, you want to make sure that you know what type of products you're gonna buy. Like for example, like I said, if you're starting a lash business, like an eyelash business, you want to make sure you have different types of eyelashes that people can choose from. You want to make sure that you have the packaging like for the eyelashes, because I'm pretty sure most people won't sell their lashes in what they already came in. Or if you buy the bundle of packet lashes, it's always like one little thing with a whole bunch of lashes in them, and you have to have separate containers for those lashes for whoever wants to buy them. What else? I mean, if you might come up with your own packaging or something, or if you make your own eyelashes, you could have like labels for your packaging. I mean, there's a lot of different stuff, but yeah, you need to make sure that you basically get your products together and you know what type of products you have to buy and stuff like that. So I guess that's really like the main tips to start a business. But the more advanced, I'm pretty sure you guys can figure it out yourself. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the type of products that I have for my business. So the name of my business that I'm trying to basically come together as is called Resealable Illusion. So basically the whole meaning behind that is resealable is basically for the packaging that I use. Like every single product that I sell will be in a resealed bag. And then illusion is basically like to make stuff look good, you know, how you make stuff look, how you make your products look. So yeah, and what I'm trying to start up for my business, they're called beauty bags. So these are for anybody that want them, to be honest. I'm not going to really stereotype it to a certain gender. Any gender can buy these if they want. But I'm just going to show you guys the type of products that's going to come in the reseal bag. So first things first, what I have is lip gloss tubes. These are empty, and I also have another bag full of them. But yeah, these are basically in here because I cleaned these. The ones that's in the bag are not sanitized, but these are sanitized, and this is the only place I can really find them. I'm guessing these are 10 millimeter. Next thing I have is, so what I was telling you guys about the resealable, this is the type of bags that I'm using for my business. So these are resealed bags, and they are holographic, of course, or hologram, whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, there's like a clear film on the front, and then the back is the holographic design. So the products, of course, will go in the front so people can see them and everything, and that's of course what makes it look more attractive. But yeah, I have a lot of these actually. These are not even all of them, but yeah, this is what they look like. Thing I have are these hairpins. So I have a lot of different ones. These are not the only ones I have, but I have gold and silver. These are my only colors. So this is like a money sign. This says girls. This says heaven. I think that's heaven. And this is another one that says heaven. Yeah, I have a lot more. I'm going to show you guys a few more of the resealed bags and like somewhat the packaging. It's like a 50-50 type of thing. So I have these latex gloves, and these are basically like to make lip gloss packaging and stuff like that, to make sure that I'm sanitizing everything and won't get any germs on the products. I have more in the kitchen, but that's all I have in my room. So this is called decorative shred, and this is what I'm going to put into the resealed bags. So it's like red and silver shredded paper, and yeah, not sure where you can get that at. I'm pretty sure you can get it from Family Dollar or Walmart, Target, anywhere you can look around and see where you can find them, but I didn't have to buy those because there was already some here. So the next thing I have is some lashes. And I just got these today. They were actually really late, like 2 or 3 weeks behind. So I'm glad I finally got them. But yeah, these are the styles that I'll be selling. Since those came today, I'm going to go ahead and do the containers. Now these, I just got these today as well. Now the thing is, these are way smaller than what I thought. I didn't think they would be this small. But I mean, I guess it's good to start off with until I find something better. But yeah, they're really teeny tiny. So the next thing I have is lip gloss base. And as you can see, it's from TKB. This is what it looks like. I think these are the 5.5 ounces. So they look bigger than what I had before. Because the first time, like, I couldn't order these because they kept going out of stock. So I had to find basically a backup lip gloss base. And these look bigger than the ones that I used the last time. But the thing about TKB is that, for one, a lot of people use their products, so they go out of stock very fast. So, you know, it's kind of like a first come, first serve type of thing. And on top of that, I heard that they were actually going to increase their prices on their lip gloss base. So I think the 5.5 ounce bags are now going to be $17. Now I got these before they raised the price, so they're usually supposed to be like $6.45 5.5 ounce bag. So I got 2 of these for about 12 something, and then I had to pay shipping price. So I think in total I paid like what? I think it was like 14, 16 something dollars. But yeah, I'm trying to order more soon before they try to raise the price. I'm not really sure when it's supposed to happen, but I read that on their website. So I have my oils for my lip gloss, and this is grapeseed oil. This is 100% pure sensitive skincare, so that's really good. That's why I wanted it. And then I have this 100% extra virgin olive oil, And of course, as you can see, I've used these already because I've been making different stuff, trying to basically explore with my products to make sure it turns out correctly, because I don't want to make a mistake and mess up something and then start my business and then I have a lot of bad reviews and stuff like that. So when you come up with a business, you have to make sure that everything's intact, like 100%, because you don't want to be held accountable for some mistake you made up because you weren't aware of it. But I can say when it comes to starting a business, it takes time. You can't rush it. So even if you do buy products, you want to make sure that the products are correct, that you don't have anything mixed up. You know, this is a lot of key points that you have to pay attention to when it comes to a business. And this is like the most precise I've ever did my business. Like, I announced this, February? It's almost April and I still haven't launched it because, for one, I've been waiting on my products, and two, I've been, like I said, exploring with different products, trying to make sure everything is good. So, here is some more stuff from TKB. So, when I ordered this, all this stuff came in this bag, so I left it in there. But I have this syringe. It is 2 ounces, so a lot can't really fit in here. I'm thinking about getting a bigger one so I can fit more lip gloss. But yeah, and it has a little clear top. And I made sure I cleaned this too. I've already cleaned it, but I'm of course going to clean it again. Then I got these 2 mica powder things. So this one is called Princess Marita or something like that, but it's like kind of like an orange glitter type of thing. And then here's the other one. This one is called Mr. Fantastic. So it's kind of like a purplish blue. So these are the 2 powders that I'm starting up for now, and then soon I'll be ordering more. And then last but not least, I have some 3 milliliter pipettes, and I had 6. I started off with 6, but I've been using them, so I have 3 left. But that should be enough for right now until I have to order more. Now these are just some plastic spoons. I use these to stir my lip gloss and stuff, and I just leave them in a Ziploc bag so they won't get scratched up or get any dirt and stuff on them. And then I have these plastic bowls. So this is what I mix my lip gloss base in. And yes, I've used some of these as well. Probably almost 10 I've used. But yeah, it's 30 in a pack, and I got these for $1. So that was good. I might have to go back soon and get some more of those. But that's really mainly all of my stuff that I have for now. Like I told y'all, when you first start a business, you want to start low. You don't want to spend too much money, and you don't want to have too many items, because you don't know for a fact if the business is going to go how you want it to. So I have this basket full of the other holographic bags that I packaged. They're not completely done. So as you can see, more of my hairpins. This is also one of my lip glosses. So yeah, there's a few of these in here that I packaged up just to get my stuff together, and I'll go ahead and finish all that stuff soon. That's basically all the products that I have for now. But one thing I can say about the lip gloss, the first one that I made, it just didn't turn out correctly. It was the lip gloss base that I was using, so I'm trying not to have to go back to that same lip gloss base and just stick to using TKB, because this is better, it's thicker, and it's just a better quality of lip gloss base. So that was one mistake learned. Oh yeah, here is some lip gloss that I already made. I'm not going to show you guys too much because I don't want to spoil, because it's not just the last of me introducing my business, but these are the other ones that I've made. These are basically extra, but as you can see, like, the lip gloss and the glitter is kind of like separating, but I can honestly say it's still great lip gloss. I have my own and I wear it almost every day. And there's another one in here. Of course, this is the other one, which is Mr. Fantastic. But yeah, that's about it, you guys. Make sure you follow the tips that I gave y'all. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be dropping a lip gloss video soon, probably next week or the week after. Just depends on when I get it together. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!